Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 7 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week last week here at Simons Middle School. We had our very first Blitz Day, and we had our service project for 7th grade students. We also had several other activities that were happening last week at SMS, and the kids seemed to have a really great time. For this week, we do have several things going on. We do have the Terrace Metric Survey, which is going to be given in 7th grade social studies classes. We also have a special guest speaker in JAG from Moon Mountain Gyms on Monday. And on Monday as well, we have an admin team meeting. On Tuesday, there is a board meeting at Central Office at 6:30. We also have a vertical team meeting that day right after school until 4 o'clock. And girls basketball is away at West Carter. On Wednesday, JAG is also having a guest speaker, Crystal Ruark. And Miss Comer and Miss Ellison's classes on this day, you will meet together in the auditorium. Thursday is MSU Student Observation Day. We also will have 7th grade students out of the building for the Cave Run Storytelling Festival. And girls basketball will be at home, and they will go against Bath County. Football will be at home, and they will go against Powell County. It's also 8th grade night. Friday is Bring It Friday as always. It is also Officer Hartzell's birthday, so happy early birthday, Officer Hartzell, and it is FES Fall Festival. So we do have several things ongoing this week. Social Studies will assign the Cougar, or the Achieve 3000 article rather, for this week. One thing that is coming up for the following week on September 28th is Prayer at the Pole. This is something that we have done for several years. We had to put it on hold because of COVID, but we don't have COVID protocols anymore, so we're hoping that everyone will come out and join us on September 28th at 7 a.m. The service will be pretty short, but it'll be a chance for you to be able to join together and have worship over Simons Middle School and prayers for our students. For this week's Student Spotlight, we are highlighting our 4-H shooting sports students. These are students who participate in 4-H shooting sports, and they recently had the Kentucky 4-H State Shoot, which was held this past weekend in Wilmore, Kentucky. These students have been practicing and competing since May as part of their 4-H involvement. Many will go on to compete in school's archery program as the shooting sports season comes to an end. These students were led by a fantastic group of coaches this season, including Colin Hunt, Anthony McGlone Jr., John Sargent, and Deanna Dowles. Season individual results are as follows. Ella Sargent was 13th out of 22 with an air pistol, 84 out of 100 with the archery compound bar in the 12 to 14 age division. Bobby Applegate was 14th out of 20 black powder percussion and 6 out of 22 with the air pistol in the 12 to 14 age division. Elena Hunt was also competed in the air pistol division. She was 13th out of 49 and 2nd out of 26 on the black powder percussion in ages 9 through 11 division. Kevin Alfrey was 6th out of 61 on the archery bow hunter division and 11th out of 41 in archery target in ages 12 through 14 division. So these students are great kids here at SMS. I've had a little bit of time to get to know the new incoming 7th graders, and I can tell that they are going to be a great asset to our school and community, and I'm so proud of them for bringing it. And congratulations, guys, on your many accomplishments through your 4-H participation in shooting sports. We do want to take a moment today and recognize our Achieve 3000 leaderboard winners. On Monday, Brianna Cooley. Tuesday, Cody Rillison. Wednesday, Wason Fryman. Thursday, Laura Lee Carpenter. Friday, Garrison Kinder. Our top scorer for the week was Wason Fryman. And our two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Tristan Adams with 6 and Brianna Cooley with 8. So one other thing that we're going to start spotlighting a little bit in our Cougar Connection is our Alex leaderboard. Alex is our math program, and basically what this means, parents, is every student at Simons Middle School uses the Alex program. They have to participate and complete so much percentage of their pie, and they know what that means. I know that's kind of complicated, but they do have to, the expectation is they complete 5% each month. So, for instance, if a student is 75% on the leaderboard complete, that means that they are 75% complete in the standards for the math class in which they are participating. So congratulations to these students that are our top percentage completers on the Alex leaderboard so far this year. Congratulations to Zachary Hitch, Asia Flinders, Brady Kramer for the Red Jaguars. For the Green Monkeys, Paxton Jones, Scott Gray, Gavin Johnson. For the Silver Snakes, Tyson Wells, Hunter Ham, Zippy Pilot. For the Blue Barracudas, Kaylee Rogers, Bobby Applegate, Maggie McGlone, and Carson Parker. So parents and students, in case you did not know about Alex, once students reach a certain completion point in Alex, we do move them up to the next math course in that program. So good luck to those students who are really close to reaching that threshold. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.